साथियों, ये कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी ने हम सभी के काम करने के तरीके को बहुत बदल दिया है। पहले हम लोग किसी कार्यक्रम में रूबरू मिलते थे, आमने सामने मिलते थे, बातें करते थे, लेकिन आज वही कार्यक्रम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से करना पड़ रहा है।
The spread of COVID in the world has suddenly changed the way people interact with each other. Events which otherwise involved a gathering of people at one location are now being conducted by virtual meetings with people connecting from various locations through advanced video conferencing technologies. This trend was observed in the participation of the PM of India in the SAARC countries' leadership video conference on combating COVID-19 in early March 2020. Even before the lockdown was announced, the Prime Minister utilized NIC video conferencing services to interact with the chief ministers of the states, leaders of pharma industry, and with the industry leaders. With the entry of COVID in India and complete lockdown, all movement became restricted. Officials from different ministries at center, be it health, finance, consumer affairs, food and public distribution, had to deliberate amongst themselves and with officials from various states and UTs without meeting physically on a frequent basis. Government had to reach out to states, district administration to coordinate availability of testing facilities, medical workers, kits, masks, food supplies and essential commodities. NIC's video conferencing services facilitated all these virtual meetings and interactions and ensured that the government machinery could run smoothly at all times. VC-equipped COVID-19 war rooms were established in most states to monitor and review COVID-19. All central ministries and state governments were facilitated with web rooms for a secure and non-intrusive experience.
NIC's video conferencing services are secure services. It has got wider coverage in government sector in the country. NIC provides video conferencing services from its 2100 studios spanning across the country, serving various states, union territories, ministries, departments and districts of states.
NIC's MCU-based video conferencing service has been in use for over 25 years in the government. Nowadays, work from home is incomplete without video interaction. NIC's desktop video conferencing facility has helped bridge this demand for the government during COVID-19 crisis. Total number of NIC's VC sessions have increased to over 60,000 conferences in May 2020 from approximately 21,000 in February 2020. Total number of VC hours climbed to over 1,62,000 hours in May 2020 from over 80,000 in February 2020. More than 10,000 users are using this service every day. NIC's VCs are being used extensively during COVID-19 pandemic by Honorable President of India, Honorable Prime Minister, Chief Ministers, Cabinet Secretary, Chief Secretaries, central and state government ministers and department officials across the country at all levels. The PM's video conferencing with electronic media stakeholders, heads of Indian High Commissioners abroad, social welfare organizations, eminent sport persons, central ministers, floor leaders of political parties, Sarpanchs of Gram Panchayats, non-aligned movement contract group, Prime Minister's interaction with Mr. Bill Gates, all have been enabled using NIC's video conferencing services.
Work from home and video meetings are quite common nowadays. This pandemic has changed our culture of working. The government also started working like corporates. Innovation is also created here, and NIC is in the direction of creating a suitable platform for meeting these requirements for its own environment, which is scalable, which can meet our demand.
Under the ambit of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, secure digital infrastructure and technology-driven innovative solutions are the two pillars where NIC would play a major role. Video conferencing is one of the many trusted offerings of NIC, which has boosted productivity, saved time and enhanced overall collaboration through its technology-driven digital solutions touching all aspects of governance. NIC is committed to serve the nation.